guys, welcome back to Meaningful Motivations with Tracy Erickson. And of course, if you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Tracy Erickson, and in this video, I want to discuss the power of making choices and taking responsibility for yourself through the choices that you make. So stay tuned. I feel like in this day and age, it is so difficult for some people to make decisions, to make a choice that is fully their own. And once the choice is made, it's difficult for people in these days to take full responsibility for those choices. But I'm here to tell you that when you can make a choice and then take responsibility for that choice, even when the outcome is not what you expected or desired, that is how you can step into your power. And that is how you can learn to make the best choices possible for your own life. As human beings, we all have free will. And free will is the ability to use your own mind to make a decision, to make a choice. And our lives are actually a string of choices, both large and small, that place us on different life paths and life trajectories, depending on the choices that we make. So, whether you've taken the time to consider this or not, it is true that all of your power lies in your ability to choose and to take responsibility for those choices that you make. Making conscious choices and therefore taking responsibility for those choices can also aid you in your own self-development. Because when you make certain choices that lead you down a certain path, if you actually take personal responsibility for those choices that even lead to mistakes or failures, you can then reflect on those choices. And the responsibility that you take in making that choice will give you the power to make a better choice in the future. Sometimes people who find it hard to make choices really just become a passive recipient to life's circumstances, and they let the people around them make the choices for them. And therefore, it leads to a sense of being out of control of one's own life when you are not taking responsibility for the direction of your life through the choices that you make. So even small choices such as, what do I want to do with my time today? Or what do I want to eat for dinner, for instance? Those choices can lead you to a sense of personal power and control over your own life, rather than letting life happen to you. When it comes to having desires or dreams or goals in your life, if you fail to make conscious choices, then you will never be able to align yourself with those desires, dreams, and goals that you really want to fulfill in your life. So if you fail to make a big life choice, such as leaving a career that you've had for a long time, for instance, to try something new, then you will always wonder, what if I made the other choice? So it's very important to align with your own values, your morals, your own desires and goals, and make choices based on what it is that your heart really wants for you to do in this lifetime. Because a big part of actually fulfilling your life's destiny is to make those right choices consciously, rather than just going with the flow and staying on a hamster wheel just because it has become your daily hustle. To be honest, decision making and making choices for myself is actually a very difficult task for someone like me. You see, I am a Libra, so my sun sign is in the sign of Libra, and I'm also a Libra rising sign. So that is like being a double Libra. And the thing that is most difficult for any Libra is to make a choice, because the characteristic of Libra is that you can see both sides of any situation. So you can see the pros and cons no matter which choice you make. Therefore, it makes every single choice that much harder. But I have noticed throughout my life that it is those times where I sit on it and I refuse to make a choice, where life gets a little difficult. And then my life clears up and becomes flawlessly easier when I take control by making conscious choices for myself. And the other difficulty in decision making and making conscious choices, for me anyway, being a double Libra, is that once I have made the choice, I'm always questioning myself. Did I make the right choice? Is this really the life path that I wanted to take? And so it's always a lingering question for me. Did I make the right choice, or am I living the wrong life, the life that was meant for someone else? And my soul knows this about me. And that is why in my past life profile, which I just shared with you guys yesterday in yesterday's video, it actually points out that the choices I've made are important, but they're also a huge part of my soul growth and spiritual development.
Would suggest that this one bring forth the receptivity and be very open and accepting of that which is, knowing that those choices have led this one to the present moment. And those choices are implicit in the value of this one's spiritual growth. This is all.
I've also realized that making choices has become so much easier for me, even as a double Libra, after I really learned to connect with my heart space. So when I learned to meditate and still myself and find that inner peace, then I was able to truly understand what it is that I want. You know, rather than just what my ego makes me believe that I want, or what people around me make me believe that I want. The more that you can find stillness within and align with your heart, then the easier it will become for you to make choices, because you are then going to be making choices that are fully aligned with how you want to live your life, rather than how maybe other people around you want you to live your life. So in the end, standing in your power is about letting go of the ego, letting go of, worrying about the outer world around you, and to really focus in on your true intentions and desires, and making choices from that place of power, from your heart. Because your heart is the chakra of your physical body that is actually connecting the higher chakras of spirit and the lower chakras of the physical body. The heart is bringing the two together. So the more that you can make decisions based on your true heart's desires, that is going to be the decision that is most in alignment with your soul's desire for expression, because it's in your heart. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. So if you like this video, be sure to click that like button. And if you're a viewer but not yet a subscriber, I would love for you to click subscribe down below. And once you have subscribed, you can turn on the notifications bell if you would like to be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending your time with me. I love you. And I'll see you next time. Bye.